In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play NBA 2K25 on your PC. So NBA 2K25 is a 2024 sports game developed by Visual Concepts and published by 2K. Based on the National Basketball Association, is the 26th installment in the NBA 2K series and is the successor to NBA 2K24. So in order to get this game, first of all, you want to open any browser in your system, and then you're going to type into the search box for Steam. Once you search for Steam, you will be able to see here welcome to Steam link at the top of your screen. So you're going to click on that. After that, you will be redirected to the official website of Steam. And if you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here this search box. So you're just going to type in here the name of your game in this search box, which is NBA 2K25, and then hit enter. As you can see here, we got our game at the top of this list, which is NBA 2K25. So you're just going to click on that. And once you appear on the game screen, you're just going to scroll down over here. And as you can see here, you got different versions of this game. The first one is standard version and the second one is All-Star Edition. So you can just select which version you want to get, and then you can just click on add to cart next to that version. Then you're going to click on view my card. And then you can just click on continue to payment. Then if you're not already signed in into your Steam account, they're going to ask you to sign in into your account. And once you're signed in into your Steam account, you will be able to select here from different payment methods how you want to pay for this game. So you can just use any of these methods from here. After that, you can just enter here all of your information, scroll down, and then just click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be bought and added to your library, and from there you can just play this game.